Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Kona N, a compact SUV that blends everyday practicality with serious performance DNA. If you're looking for something that's fun to drive, sporty to look at, and still gives you the flexibility of a crossover, the Kona N is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 model gets subtle refinements that make it even more aggressive than before. At the front, you're greeted by a bold blacked-out grille with the signature N badge, sharp LED headlights, and large functional air vents that don't just look cool, they help with cooling and aerodynamics. The side profile stays muscular with sculpted body lines, sporty side skirts, and 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Around the back, dual exhausts, a roof spoiler, and sharp LED taillights complete the sporty look. Finished in a glossy white, the Kona N manages to look both premium and aggressive, something that's rare in this segment. Moving to the interior, Hyundai has given it a proper performance treatment without sacrificing comfort. You get heavily bolstered N Sport seats wrapped in suede and leather, red contrast stitching, and unique N branding throughout the cabin. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and sharp, and the large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the coolest features is the N mode, accessible with a dedicated button on the steering wheel, which lets you control everything from throttle response to exhaust sound and even the differential settings. The flat-bottom steering wheel, metal pedals, and ambient lighting all add to the sporty feel, while the rear seats still offer decent space and comfort for daily driving. Under the hood, the Kona N packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 286 horsepower and 289 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides lightning-quick shifts. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 in just under 5.5 seconds, seriously quick for a small SUV. It also comes with launch control, electronically controlled suspension, and an active exhaust system that crackles and pops when you push it. Whether you're taking it to a canyon road or just commuting through traffic, the Kona N manages to feel alive and engaging without being too harsh. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Hyundai Kona N starts at around $36,000, which makes it a strong value proposition considering the level of performance, tech, and practicality it offers. Compared to rivals like the VW GTI or even performance trims of the Mazda CX-30, the Kona N stands out with its blend of hot hatch fun and SUV versatility. So, is the 2025 Hyundai Kona N worth it? If you want a performance car that doesn't compromise on everyday usability, with a head-turning look, thrilling drive, and solid features, this car checks all the right boxes. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.